Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Now we will start our first exercise which is based on this perimeter concept. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the rectangles. Class, you are having two options, whether you want to calculate the perimeter of rectangle with the help of formula, or you can add all the length of all sides of the rectangles. In that case also you will find the perimeter of rectangle. By both the options you will get the same answer only. So I have done all the questions with the help of formula only, because if you will do this question, any question with the help of formula, so no teacher can deduct your marks, right? So let's start with A part. Length is given to you 8 cm and breadth is given to you 5 cm. So the perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. We will put the value of length and breadth in the formula. Length is 8 cm, so we will put 8 below length. Breadth is 5 cm, so we will put below 5. We will put 5 below B. Now we have to do the calculation. Now students, learn this thing everyone. Before doing multiplication with 2, always you have to solve this bracket first. Learn this thing again and again. I am saying according to the BODMAS concept in your according to the BODMAS concept, first of all we have to solve this bracket. So 8 plus 5 is 13. Now we can do the multiplication. 13 2s are 26. It means perimeter of the rectangle is 26 centimeter. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is find the perimeter of square, and the side of square is given to you. Class, we have learned right now how to calculate the perimeter of square with the help of formula. So perimeter of square formula is 4 multiply side. Now we have to put the value of side below this. Side value is 41.3 centimeter. I have put the value. Now we have to do the multiplication. Class, learn this thing while doing the calculation in case of decimal. Ignore decimal. When we are doing multiplication and the decimal numbers we have, so ignore this decimal while doing the calculation. See, I have done here 413 we will consider here. 413 we will multiply by 4. When we will multiply, we will get the answer 1652. Now, after doing the multiplication, you can put the decimal. Now check students, in number, after how many digit dot is given, we will count from the last. After one digit dot is there, so in answer also from last we will count. In answer also after one digit we will put a dot. So the answer is 165.2 centimeter. That is the area of square. Clear everyone? Now let's move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is find out the length of the tape which is required to cover the boundary of a chart paper having length is equal to 96 centimeter and breadth is equal to 80 centimeter. Class, no shape is mentioned here that you have to find out the of rectangle or you have to find out of square. So just remember my words always students. When the measurement length and breadth is given to you, it means we are talking about the shape of rectangle. We are talking about the shape of rectangle. One more thing class, in this full question it is given to you people that you have to find out the perimeter or the area. No, so you have to check by yourself that whether we have to find out the perimeter or area. See here how we will find it out. Boundary of the chart paper. Students, when we are talking about the boundary of any shape, when we are talking of boundary of any shape, it means we have to find out the perimeter. Clear everyone? So in solution you will write down length is equal to 96 centimeter and breadth is equal to 80 centimeter. Now the length of the tape required is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now we have to put the values of length and breadth given in the question. Length is given as 96 centimeter. Breadth is given as 80 centimeter. So, according to the board mass, first of all, we will solve this bracket. We have to do this addition first. When we will add 18 to 96, we will get 176. Now we can multiply easily with 2. When we will multiply 176 with 2, we will get 352 centimeter as our answer. Clear everyone? The question once again I am repeating. In the question it was asking that how much tape is required at the boundary of the chart paper. So when we were talking about the boundary, it means we have to find out the perimeter. Hence 352 centimeter of tape is required for the boundary of the chart paper, right? Now let's move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is the side of a park in shape of a square is 50 meter. In this statement, two things are given to us. One thing is side of the park, that is 50 meter, and it is also saying that park is in the shape of square. Okay, fine. Now the next statement of question is how much distance does Happy is the name of child here, cover to complete one complete round of the park. Now students, suppose let us take one example. If you are going to the park for walking, so maybe you have seen the other students, they move or they walk around the park, not in center of the park. Suppose there is one square shaped park. When the people are walking there, you can observe they always walk around the park, not in center of the park. Clear? So when we are talking about the boundary or around, it means we have to find out the perimeter, and perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. So we have to put the value of side, that is 50 meter, and 54s are 200. It means total distance covered in one complete round of the park is 200 meter. Clear everyone? Now let's move to the question number 5. Neeta wants to frame two pictures. Okay. One is in the shape of rectangle with the length and breadth. Students, length is given and breadth is given to us because we are talking about the shape of rectangle, right? Now, next statement is the other is in the shape of square. It means the second picture is in the shape of square, which has side 7.6 meter. Question is asking now what length of ribbon will be required to frame both of them. You know students, when we are framing, when we require a frame for the pictures, we use the boundary because frame boundary पे you लगता है, right? When you will look in your room, many pictures will be there and the pictures can be in the shape of rectangle and square. If you will observe the frame, of the pictures, so students, that will be on the boundary so that the picture can look beautiful. And if we are talking about the boundary, it means we have to find out the perimeter of both the pictures. Clear? First of all, we will calculate the perimeter of rectangle, and the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. We will put the value of length and breadth in the formula. According to the question, length is 4.5 meter and breadth 2.8 meter. So now we have put the values in the formula. So we will do the calculation. According to the board mass, we will first of all solve this bracket. Now how to solve this? When the numbers are given in the decimal. So students, always remember when we are going to add the numbers which are in decimal. So always remember we have to put a point below a point. A point should be below a point. Then we have to add, when we will add 4.5 to 2.8, then the answer will be 7.3. Now multiply 7.3 meter with 2. While doing calculation of decimal then what we have to remember, when we are going to add any decimal, when we are going to multiply any decimal number, so ignore decimal, forget here any decimal is there. Multiply 73 by 2. We will get the answer 146. Now check in the question, after how many digit number is there? After how many digit dot is there? After one digit dot is there. So in answer also after one digit we will put a dot. So answer is 14.5 meter. Means total length of ribbon required for a rectangular frame is 14.6 meter. Now we will find out the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square formula is 4 multiply side, and side value is given in the question, that is 7.6 meter. Now we have to multiply this 7.6 with 4. I told you bache, while doing the multiplication in the decimal numbers, forget decimal. We have to forget decimal. When we will multiply 76 with 4, we will get the answer 304. Now check in number, after how many digit dot is there? After one digit dot is there. So in answer as well, after one digit we will put a dot, that is decimal. So our length of ribbon required for square frame is 30.5 meter. Now students, just have a look in the question. Question is asking total ribbon required for both the frames. When both की बात आ रही है बच्चे, when total length we required for the ribbon, then we have to plus length of ribbon required for rectangular frame plus length of ribbon required for square frame. So we will plus both of them. And I told you when we are adding decimal numbers, we have to put point below a point. See, point से पहले students 30 is there, so we will put 30. After 0.4 is there, so after 0.4 we will put. If you will follow these type of things as I am telling that point के नीचे point होना चाहिए, so your calculation will be wrong. When you will add, you will get 45.0. It's your way students if you want to put 0 or not. So the answer is 45 meter total ribbon which is required for both the frame. Clear students?